I wanted to take you on a little walk through my newest listing here, 721 Kingston on Nippersink Creek. I usually start at the front door, but this time I had to start in the yard and show you the beautiful view that they've got across here. Nippersink Creek is a good deep channel that takes you right out to Pistakee Lake, just about a block further down there. They've got a nice big yard, brand new steel seawall with a concrete sidewalk all the way along, about 90 feet of seawall. Here you can see the door coming out of the basement. We'll show you that from the inside as well. And a deck that stretches all the way across the house. And that's where they spend most of their time, of course, in the summer. What a view. Living, dining, kitchen room are all open to each other. There's your front door over there next to the TV. Two fireplaces, one up, one down, both with gas starters. And just big picture windows all the way around. Hardwood floor in that living room. Dining area is right here. Kitchen is open to that. Newer appliances. Plenty of cabinet space. Plenty of counter space. We've got 3 bedrooms. Here's our master. And that is right across the hall from a really nicely remodeled bath with a soaking tub and a big separate shower. Second bedroom. Lots of windows, lots of daylight. Windows have been replaced in recent years. The carpet in the bedrooms with hardwood in living room, dining room, kitchen. And a great walkout basement with another full bath down here. Here's your rec room in the basement. Your second family, your second fireplace. Laminate flooring. Really nicely remodeled bath once again. And a 3-season room out here under the deck where they spend a lot of their time in the summer. The second refrigerator down here stays with it. There's the door outside. You can come in from the boat and the view of the channel from down there. We've also got nice sized laundry space down here. And there's your furnace and hot water heater. A newer furnace and air conditioner about 4 years ago. And a 600 square foot garage, heated. Lots of room for your workbench. Plenty of room for 2 cars and some storage as well. And if you're interested in any more information on it, or if you'd like to do a visit, give me a call.